It is the duty of the parents that once the child is born, they should see to it that they give that child a proper environment to live and to continue life. It is the duty of the parents that they should see to it that they give proper education to the children. And many of us, we are worried about the education of our children. I would like to ask a question that when is the time you should start thinking about educating your child? What is the right time? Can anyone give the answer? That which is the right time? When do you start thinking what you want to make your child or what you want to make him? What should he be in life? Which is the right time? Which is the right time? Right from the beginning. As soon as he understands. Sorry? When he starts to think to get a child. He may start thinking after 10 years. Which is the right time? 7 years old, 2 years old, when he can understand, when he's born. 1 year old. 1 year old. Fine, here we have different options. Here someone is saying 3 years old, 3 years old. Someone is saying 3 years old, someone is saying 2 years old, someone is saying 1 year old, someone is saying when he's born. Islamically, the time to think of educating your child, the latest you should think, latest, maximum, is when you choose your life partner. When you choose your life partner is the time you have to think about educating your child, because the parents are the best teachers, especially the mother. That's the time. If you want to make your child Islamic, you should see to it that you have a spouse who's Islamic. If you don't have an Islamic spouse, how would you expect your child to be Islamic? So depending upon how you want to upbring your child is the time you start thinking when you choose your life partner. That does not mean already those who are married should choose a new life partner. Some people ask me, now I'm already married, what should I do? It is better late than never. You can start molding your life partner into that style. No problem. You can do dawah with the life partner. So you should realize that the best time to start thinking about educating your child, the latest is when you choose a life partner.